How well can a Forex trader trade NQ? Now, we did this in the past where we traded US 30, I believe. And I can't remember if we did break even or plus 1 hour at the end of the session. But this time we're going to try it again. I got 3 years worth of data. We're going to simulate because we're not going to cheat. 23 August 2023. 23 uh, August 23, if I'm not mistaken. Add a couple months, create session, delete this. All right. Let's see, because on futures, at least US 30, I believe, I found that sometimes you'd get, and correct me if I'm wrong, the futures traders that might be watching this. Oh, we got some drawings going on. Let me delete that. Was maybe for a video. Okay. That I've seen that on futures you'd have London liquidate something, and then as soon as market opens on New York, it will usually follow that London inducement. So that would be like the perfect case for EU and GU for people that trade Asia sweep liquidity, but it isn't all time that way. But I found that with futures it usually follows. So we're bullish. All right, we can have this target, but I don't know if we'll target that. We're taking this liquidity. We can come here to this efficiency maybe. But yeah, as far as this structure, I think this is where we'll be focusing on. And we have some small little structure here that made efficiency. Okay, decent. Jump onto the 4 hour. Okay, some change of character right here. All right. Let's still identify the low because it might be a trap. Okay, yeah, these lows, they are going to go. All right, this liquidity. I trade liquidity, by the way, guys. If you don't know, I trade EU and GU, and I trade liquidity. That's why I trade Forex, because I basically trade ranges. And so I don't know how well I could do in these training assets. I would have positions for sure because my strategy is applicable to all domains, but it might not be as well performant. So right here, I see that we have efficiency. I don't know if we fully, yeah, we tagged it, but these are all equal lows to me. Okay, so I think they will get tagged out. Yeah, let's expect price for to continue bullish, but as you can see, efficiency right here, price retesting is going higher. It even made a trap right here, so this low is valid, as you can see. And yeah, maybe we can even come to this inducement right here. But as far as now, let's see what we can do and try to focus on New York opening because there's a lot of move in there. So my timing is right. Okay. Okay. London's opening like this. Yeah, like I said, London's testing this out and it might drop down from here. But I don't want to be taking this trade. Okay, yeah, it's exactly what like I said. First day, bro. Like the London made the inducement of the day, taking this out, mitigating this, and now New York is dropping. It's continuing. I just want New York to take this out, and then I'll look to buy. Okay, okay, it didn't. It's cool. It's cool. I could look too short, even though we're bullish. It's not such a good thing to do. But end of the market right here. Nah, it's too late. It's too late. I'm just gonna avoid it for now. Okay. This took liquidity though, so might be protected, but these all these equal lows. I don't like it. I don't like it that much. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we continue to go up. Might not be good to try and call the tops, but something interesting is looking around here. Okay, we're taking Asia with a London. Now we're making a breaker structure, which I assume is going to be a fake one, and we're going to sweep the highs again. Okay, we didn't. It moves different to Forex. It moves different to Forex. So now price comes at least here. That could be a good selling point. Okay, and New York almost opening. Okay, okay. It's mitigating this. If the high of London is protected, then yeah, I would be looking to sell here in order to get the um, to take advantage of the New York open continuation. And you all have this imbalance right here that we can target. So yeah, let's try it. 4 hour, I don't usually go for that, but I go for three. But not follow the plan. Nah, but it's just let's see what we can do in here. We should have been in with this candle, I believe, but yeah, not gonna hold it now. But why is it like we had this? Because I think this candle, if it didn't buy a small little bit, as you can see, but that's a robbery, bro. Well, it's unfortunate because you see, okay. Next target will be this in this one right here. This structure is gonna fail most likely. Yeah. Does it drop down? It probably will. Probably will take these lows. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome. Are we looking on the hourly? Okay, probably gonna take these as well. Let's see. Let's see, there's a massive drop. There's a massive drop. Okay, now it looks cookie. It looks good. Because it probably took this low that people are placing themselves. It's London. Okay. It's London sweeping this. So I don't know if price will come down here in order for me to take the trade. But let's see. Let's see. I don't only target like a 3. What the fuck? It's not gonna come. It's not gonna come here. I don't want to be buying in here though, but yeah, boys. It's a miss. It's a miss. Again, another trade that could work, bro. I just came in too late. If not, I would place myself on stop order maybe here. But I wanted to come to the limit. But another one missed. No problem, bro. No problem. Right now we came to take out this and the lows right here. I might animate this marmot trap, bro. This is beautiful because it went here, gave you a fake breaker structure, gave you another one. Yeah. Might try to do a ping pong right here with this. We might test a 5-minute order block, but we might also not. Let me just go until the lows or until here to 5 like this. Bro, I'm tired of getting robbed. What the fuck? I should be break even here already, but I held it. I held it. It's messing with my emotions, bro. I shouldn't be on this trade because I should be break even. I should have been tagged out break even by now if I was actually tagged here. But yeah, right now I'm gonna be stopped out. Yeah. Uh, is New York gonna reverse from here? We don't want to be trading the first breaker structure, but if he gives me a second one, it's too late. It's a bit too late now. And price action is super shit. Yeah, boys, can't let get this to your head. Like the trades that we're not getting tagged in are going to TP, and the ones that we're actually taking are going to stop loss. Can't let that mess with your head though. Can be probably still bullish, and I'm out here buying like a motherfucker because here we got the equal highs. Probably still bullish, bro. These cells look decent. Cells look decent, but yeah. Let's see if we get another sweep. Okay. Okay, yeah, decent. I'll put myself stop order here. Targeting a bit more than the highs. See if we can get some movement on New York. Okay, it's continue the same direction as London. No worries. Risky trade, obviously, as well. But right now I made a smart money trap. I don't know if we're gonna get tagged on limit in this because price is already flying. But yeah. Boom, we're -2 are up. But hey, what about now? What about now? What about now? Okay. Right now we continue to buy. I said we were bullish. I did some mistake by shorting here, but you just want to follow the trend because this is not like Forex, not a trending pair, even though we can have some short directions. But on these type of assets, you want to be most likely looking for buys because they're most likely bullish over the long term. If you're trading futures, gold, over the long term, we know that they're bullish. But yeah, EU and GU can also be bullish, bearish for certain months and stuff. But over the long term, they're ranging pairs, right? Right now, I want to buy, but I'm not gonna buy here. Obviously, we have this industry right here. It's probably not gonna come. Let's see if we can target the highs. Yeah. Then again, I only went for 3R because we're buying here in the middle, guys. Because if we're to buy here or maybe after a major liquidity sweep, yeah, you can target the highs and get a fucking big RR, but that would be just greedy. And here I'm buying in the middle. Yes, I can target the highs, but then that would be almost an R. That's being too greedy. And what if price could easily just come here, tag me out break even, and then go? That could be a possible scenario because I'm buying in the middle as well. Something you gotta consider. You can still be right and get tagged out break even. So that doesn't matter. Just have a fixed RR, have a fixed plan, and then go that way. And so right now, taking out this high, but remember there's a higher point even that we got a target. Yeah, this one. Okay. Still believe we're going there. It's looking like a bullish closure. We might get some reaction, of course. So we might come to this efficiency. Let's see. So far, we're smashing it. It's unfortunate that like we missed out on probably like 6 RR from the missed trades. We're still up. Still up. Might get some reaction right here. But buying kind of in the middle of nowhere. Okay. It could be a good selling point. Here people are shorting. Here it's giving bearish momentum. Is going, but now it's already broken this. I'm no longer interested. Okay. But it's maybe too late. It's maybe too late. Because I here made the break, the smarter trap here. So right now, this might be a trap. We might try. We might try. We might try this risky trade. Let's see. We're here to test things. Uy, uy, uy. It's not looking good. Okay. Okay. Happens. Back to zero by doing stupid shit. uh, right now, this 4 a.m. high. Do I trust it or do I not? Because here is clearly falling structure. And will New York follow this? Will New York follow this? I don't know, man. Because we definitely got the liquidity currency here, but I don't like being against Asia. But yeah, I don't think this will be a protected low though. We're in. Okay, okay, okay. Got in on another trap. No worries, guys. Cause still know how to trade. Now we get this sweep. Now I'm selling the fuck out of it. Now I'm selling the fuck out of it. If we get tagged in on this imbalance right here, above this inducement, I hope we do. But yeah, let's go for 3R. Ah, fuck. I know that we just took out a major liquidity. That's why I'm trying to sell. But what did I say before? We're on the bullish market. We want to be looking for buys, and I just lost 3% here trying to sell. Yeah. That's a problem of mine, guys. That's a problem of mine. All right. I'm not gonna try to do this bullshit anymore. That's my fault. I admit that. Okay. If you get some liquidity, it gets taken below. I don't like this. I don't like this so much. Even though yes, it might work. I said it. I said I didn't like it. Okay, London gets sweeps for a boom here. Maybe. I'm just going off the 15-minute order block, but yeah, because this is probably gonna be a trap. It's probably a trap for smart merchants. It looks too good to be true, you know. Because people try and short like me. Hey, what's happening, bro? What's happening, bro? Maybe I got another trap. Okay. Okay, London's taking out this. Let's see if it takes out this liquidity as well. Okay, it doesn't. Doesn't, but what is New York doing? It's gonna go up, bro, but look, if we don't take this out, we still have reason to go up if price comes back. But if price comes here first, then my entry, I gotta close the trade because we might have reason to come down. Come on. I could put myself break even, but I'm only putting myself break even once we got this. We're turning inside of a range here. Fuck, 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 fuck. Okay. Liquidity swept, finally. That's why you gotta wait for your zones. Okay. I'm getting a nice structure swept. Oh, it's getting a bit too late though. Let's wait for Asia to go. Okay. Figuring out the sweep of the previous daily high. Yeah, the previous daily low, I mean. Boom. If the close looks good here, it doesn't. All right, avoid a smart money trap. Right now, this looks better. Boom. And can go at least here. I would be a greedy motherfucker and try to go for all this. I would. Let's see if we can get some beautiful. I might regret it, but I'm gonna definitely close partials right here because price can go. Is it our limit or stop? Okay. Yeah, forget about the 12. Forget about the 12, bro. Minus 5R for fucking around, bro. Hey, coming to this efficiency, I'm telling you, bro, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Uh, yeah, if we got another sweep for the efficiency, that would be nice. Okay. Probably doesn't want to go lower. Doesn't want to go lower. It's taking liquidity. Okay. Still have to come right here, so I might do some aggressive shit. We're already in deep water here. This is not healthy to do, guys. I know. I know, I know. Okay. Gap with price stuff like news are just setup accelerators or whatever happened on this day. So we good. We could put ourselves break even. Yeah, I believe this high is gonna get taken, and yeah, I'm not gonna close it at 2R. Okay, we're taking out this high at 3R. Let's see. It's reversing a bit. Let me take out 50% because 3R is what I normally target. So let's just not be too greedy. Oi, oi, oi. I believe this will be a trap, but hey, it definitely can work and give some rejection from here. All right. So we got it. We're minus 1.6. Let's get big. Let's get this back up, bro. Okay. Still bullish. Still needs to come here. Can still come to this efficiency. Fill up the gap. Okay. Boom, boom. Uh, skip this zone. All right. We're still bullish, but we do need to come to that gap though. Okay. Okay. Low, low risky trade. Low risky trade. This low didn't do much, but trying to see, guys. Do I shorty here? Shit, I know. And come to the gap, which would be a 2.11. Can't even go as far as the 3. Because it's a big ass gap, bro. Uh, the gap is still there. To put ourselves break even. Come on. Just a little bit more. Okay. We got the 3.